how anyone can get rich starting at zero. Proven system. The decision that changes everything, from zero mindset to real direction. Many people believe money creates success. This is not true. Money is a result. Success starts before money appears. It starts with a decision. Not a dream, not a wish, a decision. The richest people in the world did not begin with money. They began with a moment when they said one thing: I will not stay here anymore. They were afraid. They were confused. They were unsure. But they decided anyway. This is where your journey begins too. Even if you have $0, even if you feel behind, even if people doubt you, especially then. Starting at zero is not a curse. Starting at zero feels heavy. It feels unfair. It feels lonely. You look around. Others seem faster, smarter, luckier. They have money, connections, support. You have questions, bills, fear. But starting at zero is not a curse. It is a clean page. When you start with nothing, you have nothing to protect, no image to maintain, no lifestyle to defend. You are free. Free to build correctly, free to learn slowly, free to fail safely. Many rich people say this quietly. Starting poor forced them to think better, act smarter, work deeper. Comfort makes people lazy. Pressure makes people sharp. If you feel pressure now, that pressure can shape you. The lie that keeps people poor. There is a dangerous lie many people believe. I will start when I am ready. This lie destroys more dreams than failure ever will. You never feel ready. You never feel confident at the start. Confidence is built after action, not before. Money does not come first. Skills do not come first. Clarity does not come first. Action comes first. People wait for motivation. Motivation waits for results. This creates a loop. No action, no result, no motivation. Rich people break this loop early. They move while confused. They work while afraid. They learn while unsure. That is why they grow. The proven system always starts the same way. Every proven path from zero to wealth starts with the same foundation: mindset, time, skill, not money. Money is a tool, but tools are useless without hands. You are the system. Your habits decide your future. Your thoughts decide your habits. If you think short-term, you live small. If you think long-term, your life expands. The poor ask one question: how do I feel today? The wealthy ask a different one: what will this create in 5 years? This single difference changes everything. Seeing time differently. At zero, time is your greatest asset. Not money, not talent, time. You wake up with the same 24 hours as everyone else. The difference is how you spend them. Many people sell their time cheaply. They trade hours for comfort. They trade days for distraction, scrolling, complaining, escaping. This feels easy now. It feels safe, but it steals your future quietly. Wealthy thinkers treat time like seeds. Every hour planted well grows later. 1 hour learning a skill, 1 hour practicing focus, 1 hour building discipline. Small actions, big future. The first mental shift you must make. If you want to get rich starting at zero, you must stop asking this question: how can I make money fast? And start asking this one:
How can I become valuable? Money flows to value, always. When you solve problems, you get paid. When you help people, money follows. This is not poetry. This is reality. You do not chase money. You attract it by becoming useful. This mindset removes panic. It removes desperation. Now your focus is clear. Learn, practice, improve every day. Why most people quit too early? At the beginning, progress is invisible. This is where most people fail. They work for 2 weeks, they see nothing, they stop. They study for 1 month, no money yet, they quit. They compare their start to someone else's middle. This comparison kills patience. Growth is quiet at first, like roots under the ground. Nothing looks different above the surface, but everything is changing below. The people who win are not special. They are patient during this phase. They keep watering the soil. Building identity before income. Before income grows, identity must change. You must stop seeing yourself as poor and start seeing yourself as a builder, a learner, a creator. Your bank balance does not define you. Your habits do. Rich people think differently long before they earn differently. They plan, they track time, they delay pleasure. Not because it is easy, because it works. Every disciplined action is a vote for your future self. A simple rule to remember. You do not rise to your goals, you fall to your habits. If your habits are weak, your future will be weak. If your habits are strong, your future becomes strong. This is good news. Habits are built daily with small actions. No money required. The quiet power of starting small. Many people think small steps are useless. They are wrong. Small steps are powerful because they are repeatable. Reading 10 minutes a day, practicing one skill daily, saving a little consistently. These actions look boring, but boring actions create extraordinary lives. Big dreams are built with boring consistency. This is the secret few accept. Your role in this system. This system is proven because it is human. It does not require genius. It requires commitment. You will feel tired. You will feel slow. You will feel behind. That is normal. The system still works. If you stay consistent, results arrive quietly, then suddenly. Part 2. Building value that attracts money. Skills, discipline, and income power. Money does not respond to hope. Money responds to value. If you want wealth, you must create value first. This is the core truth many people avoid. They want results without growth, income without effort, freedom without discipline. But the system never changes. You get paid for what you can do. Why skills matter more than talent. Talent is rare. Skills are built. Talent can open doors. Skills keep them open. Many rich people were not talented. They were trained. They practiced when it was boring. They improved when no one was watching. This is why skills beat talent over time. A skill is something useful, something people care about, something that solves a problem. Design, writing, sales, video editing, teaching, coding, communication. You do not need all of them. You need one. The power of choosing one skill. Many beginners fail because they chase everything. They learn a little of this, a little of that. They never go deep. Depth creates income. When you focus on one skill, your brain adapts. Your learning speeds up. Your confidence grows. Choose one skill that fits 3 rules. It solves problems, people pay for it, and you can learn it online. That is enough. Learning without money. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need certificates. You need repetition. Watch tutorials, read simple guides, practice daily. Use free tools. Use your phone. Use your computer. The internet is a free school. Most people do not fail because they lack resources. They fail because they lack focus, the boring phase that creates wealth. In the beginning, learning feels slow. You forget things, you make mistakes, you feel stupid. This is not failure, this is growth. Every expert was once confused. If you push through this phase, something changes. Your hands move faster, your thinking becomes clearer, your confidence rises quietly. This is the turning point. Discipline is the real engine. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Discipline means doing the work even when you feel nothing. No excitement, no energy, just action. This is why discipline creates wealth. Rich people do not feel inspired every day. They feel responsible. They show up because they decided to.
Small daily rules that change everything. Discipline grows with small rules. Wake up at the same time. Practice your skill every day. Track your time. These actions look simple, but they shape your identity. You stop relying on emotion, you rely on structure. Structure creates freedom. Time turns skills into money. A skill becomes valuable when combined with time. Practice today feels useless. Practice for 6 months creates ability. Practice for 1 year creates income. This is how wealth grows slowly and then suddenly. Most people quit at month 2. They miss the reward waiting at month 6. Do not make that mistake. Learning to sell without fear. Selling is not manipulation. Selling is communication. If you cannot explain your value, no one will pay you. Selling means answering one question clearly. How can this help you? That is all. When you speak with honesty, sales feel natural. Confidence comes from preparation. People fear selling because they feel weak. Preparation removes fear. When you know your skill helps others, confidence grows. You stop begging, you start offering. This shift changes everything. Asking for money is not wrong. Many beginners feel guilty asking for money. This guilt keeps them poor. Value deserves payment. If you solve a problem, you earn money. This is fair. Say your price calmly, without apology. The right people will respect you. First income changes your mind forever. Your first earned dollar feels powerful. It proves something important. I can create money. This belief is dangerous in a good way. It kills fear. It builds confidence. From this moment, growth accelerates. One income stream first. Do not chase many ideas. Build one income stream first. Freelancing, service work, online work. Stability comes before expansion. Once one stream works, add another later. Why consistency beats intelligence. Smart people quit. Consistent people win. Wealth is not about thinking better. It is about showing up longer. If you stay longer than others, you win by default. Part 3. Multiplying wealth and protecting your future. Saving, investing, environment, and freedom. Making money is important, but keeping money is more important. Many people learn how to earn. Few learn how to grow and protect what they earn. This is why income alone does not create wealth. Wealth is built after income appears. Why most earners stay poor. Some people earn more every year, but they never get rich. Why? Because they spend first. When money comes, they reward themselves. New phone, new clothes, more comfort. Their income grows, their expenses grow faster. Nothing remains.
This is not bad behavior, it is human behavior. But if you want freedom, you must act differently. Living below your means. Living below your means is a decision. It means you do not spend to impress. You do not chase status. You choose simplicity now, so you can choose freedom later. This choice feels uncomfortable at first, but it creates power. Every dollar you save is a worker. That worker can build your future. Saving is not about money. Saving is about control. Control over desire. Control over impulse. Each time you say no to useless spending, your discipline grows. This discipline protects you when life gets hard. The rule that changes everything. Pay yourself first. Before spending, before pleasure. Save a part of every income, even if it feels small. Consistency matters more than amount. Why small savings become big wealth. Money grows with time. Small amounts grow slowly, then faster. Time does the heavy work. People who wait to start lose this advantage. Start early, start small. Investing is a skill. Investing is not gambling. It is learning how money grows. You can invest in yourself, skills, knowledge, tools. You can invest in assets. What matters is habit. Fear keeps people out. Many avoid investing because they fear loss. This fear keeps them poor. Risk exists everywhere, even in doing nothing. Education reduces fear. Learn slowly, start small. Multiple income streams create safety. One income stream is fragile. Life changes, markets change. Multiple streams protect you. Build them one by one, never all at once. Your environment shapes you. People influence behavior. If you stay around negativity, your energy drops. If you stay around growth, your standards rise. Choose carefully. Follow people who build. Learn from those ahead. Distance yourself from doubt. Your online environment matters too. What you watch shapes your thinking. Choose learning over noise. Your mind becomes what you feed it. Failure is part of the system. Failure teaches faster than success. Each mistake sharpens you. Those who avoid failure stay small. Those who learn from it grow strong. Learning never ends. The world changes, skills change. If you stop learning, you fall behind. Curiosity keeps you relevant. Freedom is built quietly. Freedom does not arrive suddenly. It grows slowly, through habits, through patience, through consistency. Then one day you realize something. You are no longer trapped. The final truth. You can start at zero, but you must not stay there. Wealth is not luck, it is structure. Follow the system, trust the process. Your future is waiting.
If this video inspired you or helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Motivation to Study English for 30 minutes every day. Your support is the energy that keeps us creating better and more meaningful videos every single day.